OBS Studio is a free and open source program that allows you to stream and record content from multiple video and audio sources. It's compatible with Windows, Mac, and Linux. To download OBS, go to obsproject.com. To begin the download process, you can either just click on the icon for your operating system right from the home page, or you can click the download link in the navigation menu on the top of the screen. Since OBS Studio is cross-platform, you'll need to determine which installer to download. Note that OBS also allows you to download and install older versions if you need them. Just click on the Previous Release link to take you to a list of older versions. Once you have selected your operating system, click on the Download Installer link. After it is finished downloading, locate the installer file and follow the instructions for installing OBS Studio.